Welcome to the Diabetic Diet Meal Plan. Today, we're thrilled to present Meal Plan Number 2, a fantastic choice for diabetics and weight loss enthusiasts. When it comes to managing diabetes, it's crucial to focus on foods low in added sugars and unhealthy fats. Instead, we emphasize incorporating high-fiber foods, lean protein, and healthy fats into your meals. Now, let's embark on a delightful journey from breakfast to dinner, complete with satisfying snacks. Get ready to discover delicious and nutritious options that will keep you on track. So let's get started. Breakfast. Sweet potato and black bean breakfast burrito, scrambled eggs, diced sweet potato, black beans, and salsa wrapped in a whole grain tortilla. Blueberry and ricotta pancakes, made with almond flour, topped with fresh blueberries and a drizzle of pure maple syrup. Veggie and cheese breakfast quesadilla, whole grain tortilla filled with scrambled eggs, diced veggies, such as bell peppers, onions, and mushrooms, and shredded cheese. Lunch. Grilled chicken and peach salad, mixed greens, grilled chicken, sliced peaches, feta cheese, and a balsamic vinaigrette dressing. Shrimp and avocado wrap, whole grain wrap filled with cooked shrimp, diced avocado, lettuce, and a lime cilantro dressing. Turkey and cucumber rolls, sliced turkey rolled with sliced cucumbers and a light cream cheese spread. Dinner. Chickpea and veggie baked pita bread stuffed with roasted chickpeas, veggies, such as eggplant, zucchini, and bell peppers, and a tahini lemon sauce. Beef and broccoli stir-fry with quinoa, sirloin steak stir-fried with broccoli and other veggies, such as carrots and snow peas, served over quinoa. Grilled salmon with roasted red pepper sauce, grilled salmon topped with a roasted red pepper sauce, served with roasted sweet potatoes and a mixed green salad. Snacks. Spiced roasted chickpeas, chickpeas roasted with spices such as cumin, paprika, and garlic powder. Frozen yogurt berries, mixed berries mixed with low-fat Greek yogurt and a touch of honey. Veggie and hummus plate, sliced veggies, such as carrots, cucumbers, and bell peppers, served with hummus for dipping. Important. It's important to remember that portion control is key for managing blood sugar levels, so be mindful of the amount of food you are eating at each meal. Additionally, it's recommended to spread out your meals and snacks throughout the day to avoid dips in blood sugar levels. If you have any specific dietary restrictions, please speak with a healthcare provider or a registered dietitian to create a meal plan that's right for you. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information useful. If you did, please don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Until next time, take the very best care of yourself. Goodbye.